everybody, Gunderson Carter here. Okay, this trick is very awesome. Okay, what you really need or you have is 4 tens. Yeah, you can see 4 tens, 10 of hearts, 10 of diamonds, 10 of spades, and the 10 of clubs. Put it right there, and all the tens right over here. Then we put 3 random cards under. Like so. It's really the same what card we take under. We don't need the deck anymore. And now we take this, and you can see the 10 right there. Now we just give it a spin, do this, and now the 10 is gone. And it's only 4 cards. And if you see here, we got 2 tens right now here. But if we give it a spin, do this, it's gone. And just 4 cards, nothing on the backs. And you must remember, just 4 cards right here. And you can see it's now 3 tens there, just missing the 10 of clubs is right there. Now we just give it a spin, take over like this, and now 10 is gone, all 10s. And if you really believe it, you saw all the 10s is right here. And that's Tensation, the ultimate assembly. Please subscribe, comment, rate, and see you later.